Hello everyone, myself G. Tirupal Reddy. My register number is URK18CS233. Today we are going to discuss about one of the main concept in operating system, that is inter-process communication using pipes. See here, pipe. Before going to discuss inter-process communication using pipes, we need to know what is pipe. Pipe is a medium source for communication. See, there are two types of pipes: named pipe and unnamed pipe. Named pipe means it is a interconnected interconnects unrelated process, means there is no relationship. Unnamed pipe means interconnects related processes. It means there is a relation between these processes. See, reverse. See, named means there is no relationship. Unnamed means there is a relationship. See, like parent child like. See here, file descriptor. See here, for unnamed pipe, FDPTR means file descriptor pointer, and for unnamed file, the file is creating file is FDPTR. That means file descriptor pointer to pointer the processor to which communication is made. Named pipe means MKFIFO. See here, make FIFO. See here, for this there is comes first, finish execution and leave FIFO. See here, for every file created will have unique file descriptor. Suppose we were creating a file for we are creating 10 files. For every file there is a unique for a different type of file descriptor. If file descriptor equal to -1, file not created successfully. If file descriptor greater than 0, file created successfully. See, the aim of this experiment is we need to write the program to implement inter-process communication using pipes. See here, inter-process communication is mechanism provided by operating system that allows process to communicate with each other. I already told you inter-process communication is communicating with each other. This communication could involve processor letting another processor know that how event has occurred or transferring of data from one process to another process. See here, pipe is a connection between medium between two or more related and inter-processor process. I already told you pipe means medium for connection. See here, communication is achieved by one processor writing into pipe and other reading from the pipe. See here, we have pipe has two nodes. Pipe has two nodes. One is reading and another one is writing. So to achieve pipe system call, create two files, one to write file and another to read file. See here, we need to program to write and read two messages using pipe. See here, for that algorithm is we need to create pipe and send message to pipe and retrieve message from pipe and write it to standard output and send message to another pipe and retrieve the message from another pipe. See here, now I will show you the program for this. See here, I have declared here header files in main function. See, pipe of FDS file list pipe file dictionary is size 2 and return status. See here, write message. See here, I have created a multi-dimensional array and I have created I give already hi and hello and read messages of 20. See here, again I am returning status. If return status equal to -1, unable to create pipe. I already told you FDS file descriptor equal to -1, pipe not created successfully. Here see, return status means it is returning the status of file descriptor. Pipe file descriptor status is returning. So here, if return status equal to -1, unable to create pipe means file not get successfully. See here, it is asking writing to pipe of write of 0, write message of 0. Write message of 0 is hi and read PDF of 0, read message size of me. See here, message is 1. See hi, like that. See here, reading. See again here, printf reading from 5 message 1 is whatever you read from the 5 message 1 is again we are displaying here. See here again, read see write PDF of 1, write message size of 0. mm, size of 0. See here, read pdf. Again see here, printing whatever we see here. Again printf read from pipe message to is whatever we write into the pipe we are reading. See here, the output is writing to pipe message 1 is high, again reading from is high. See here, whatever we write into the pipe we are reading. And one more thing is, see here, I will show you uh, one more output. See here, writing to pipe 1 message is Karunya, and reading from pipe message 1 is Karunya again. Again see here, writing to pipe 2 is hello and reading from is hello, like that. And second one is, we need to establish the IPC between unrelated processor and write the word Karunya from processor and find length of string from other end. See here, for this we need to write a word Karunya from one end and we need to find the length of string from other end. See, this is for it. We need to create pipe and we need to send a message to pipe and retrieve the message. After retrieving, we need to find the length and we need to display the length of message. See here, I will explain you the code here. I have declared here the header files using namespace std. In main function, see here, I have declared a file descriptor int end processor. See here, int string length for variable for finding string length. See here, I have created array of read buffer and end string. See here, fd open FIFO file, o create, or see here, o create OWR only means write only. See here, o create means open the created one. See here, string copy, whatever we did here copying. See here, using this while loop, you enter the string to enter into the pipe. We are asking the user to enter the string using the pipe, and f gets, we are getting this using gets, and we are finding string length of that. And here read buff equal to string length of -1 equal to not equal to null. Then see here, we are string compare, we are comparing. If enter is not equal to 0, we are writing into the this read buffer, and see here, we are printing sent string to the pipe is read buff, and length of the sent pipe is, we are printing the length of, and else we need to do this if the enter is not equal to 0. See, I will show you the output here. See here, enter the string to pipe means Karunya. See here, send to pipe, the send it into pipe is Karunya have sent. The length of the string is 7. Again see here, something, one more word, and again length further. And this is all about interconnection processor communicating using pipes. Thank you.